Hey there, Judd here. I wanted to share this video with you because it's really important that you guys understand what's taking place right now as it relates to inflation that's impacting the manufacturing world, not just the asphalt maintenance or pavement industry. It's literally affecting it widespread everywhere. So to give you an idea, 5 months ago, a container, a 40-foot container to ship from overseas was about $6,000 to $7,000. In 5 months, it's gone to $28,000 to $30,000. And what that means is that the actual cost from a wholesale perspective and or the cost from the manufacturers that are coming in are all skyrocketing right now. Whereas the retailers that are actually out retailing, distributors and retailers, they're out there with aged inventory based upon previous old costs, right? And so they're still selling at old pricing. Well, as that inventory sells out at the old prices, please know that the actual shipping costs that are all skyrocketing everywhere else, logistics all over. I'm talking about freight, transport, I'm talking about shipping, I'm talking about, freight liners, etc. They're all going up, which is creating a domino effect on new inventory that's going on the shelf. And so my suggestion to you, and I want you to think hard about this, it's really important, is that right now, if you can get supplies and equipment at existing pricing, at what I'll call soon to be old pricing, it would be ideal from an investment perspective. If you need to get financing, for example, at Asphalt Kingdom, we work with Clicklease as our financing partner, and their approval rates are amazing. Most of our clients get approved as soon as they go through that financing option. But what you should be doing right now is investing into equipment and supplies at the old prices, the stuff that's on the shelf right now. Because I'm telling you, as we roll into spring 2022, there's no doubt it will be inevitable. The domino effect from shipping and oil and everything else that's impacting the inflation aspects of what we're dealing with, it's going to be there. As we roll into spring, I can guarantee that prices will, and I'm talking industry-wide, not just pavement, I'm talking about any industry, you're going to see increases by 15 to 20%. So be aware of that, and I just want to make sure that's on your radar. I would strongly recommend investing ASAP into any equipment and supplies that you can get at prices that haven't really changed yet, because they will change very soon. We're happy to give you the quotes, and we always do our very best to win your business and make sure that we're hopefully a part of your journey for life. We appreciate the opportunity. Subscribe to our channel, click the ringing bell notification if you haven't already, and we look forward to working with you. Appreciate it.